Okay, so my experiment worked and it's quite tasty. So I like that I didn't even have to strain it. I just had to let it soak up the water and it cooked everything. I even added textured vegetable protein so I could get, you know, an extra 8 grams in. This is cool. Alright, here we are. I am testing out my first backpacking meal. I am going on a backpacking trip soon, and will only be able to eat what I carry on my back with me, basically. So I need to test it out first, that my equipment works, and set my plan for what I'm going to eat. Will fit in the container, cook properly, and hopefully even taste good. So let's see. We'll test out adding some of these. Like a 1/4 cup of veggies. So I get some veggies in there. That's a vegetable soup blend. It looks like it has simmered quite nicely, and so I have here the soy milk powder. I'm going to try adding a spoon of that. Here's the cheese packet.